It is a couple weeks since the fires have broke out, and I'm okay. I'm safe. But at one point, it didn't feel safe, so I was fortunate enough to be able to go to a friend's house for the weekend. It was nice just to like ease my anxiety over everything. But when I came back, I became so overwhelmed with emotions about, not only the fact was that the fire was still happening, and even today, the fires are still happening. And also, I just found out that another fire broke out more north of me. So I was so overwhelmed with emotions that I almost started crying. I felt helpless. And of course, I could go and volunteer. And I actually did go volunteer one day for a little bit with actually that same friend that let me stay at her place. And during my overwhelming sad moment, of course I do want to physically help people, but I want to be in a position where I could actually make real change. And unfortunately, the way we are in this nation, money is really the only thing that can make real, impactful change. It made me realize why I actually want to be rich. Because I do want to be rich, not only for, my own benefit. I want to, have a better life, have nice things, be able to buy a house. Of course, you don't need to be rich to buy a house, but it almost feels like it. I want to live a life of luxury and blah, blah, blah. But when there's times like this, I want to be able to actually financially help. I want to be able to send money to a bunch of organizations. I want to be able to, help people directly. I want to be able to, if I have multiple properties and if someone needs to escape, evacuate, or whatever, just go to one of my houses. Just go there. I want to be able to, help pay someone's rent for a while, help them pay some bills, buy their groceries, get close something. Because so many people have gotten so negatively affected by this. I know one of the main things they're probably going to be stressing about, not only being alive, but needing money to be able to continue life. A lot of people who are affected don't have the privilege of even the rich people that were affected. It is sad that a lot of rich people lost so much. But also the rich people, y'all got the ability to rebuild your homes. Even without the help of insurance, which I don't want to even get on the whole insurance thing right now, because then I might start screaming. Literally for the past couple of days, all I've been wanting to do is scream for, of course, a multitude of reasons. But that's why I want to be rich, because I actually want to actually help, actually do something. And of course, the people now who aren't rich aren't probably going to do that. And I know me saying this is pretty ambitious as well, because there's always going to be problems, financial problems that people face every day, and I can't save the world, obviously. But to be honest, my goal isn't really to save the world. My goal is to save someone's world. I just want to be able to directly help someone. And I would love to have enough money where I could just go on GoFundMe and I can pay for a whole bunch of people's stuff. I think I only donated on GoFundMe one time, and this was years ago, but it was for this family, and it was I think these 3 kids, unfortunately, they lost their only parent, and they were $18 short of their goal for a bunch of stuff. So I was able to just give the $18, and you know what, it made me feel good that I was able to help in a way. I didn't check up on them to see what happened. I don't even think I'd be able to find them now. I know that money has the power to give you so much mental clarity, and I want to be able to give that to someone. And I know it probably is in bad taste, literally in the climate that we're in right now, saying that I want to be rich, but I know my intentions with it, and I'm just gonna just keep saying it. I want to be rich so I can actually help people. And since I don't have money right now, I'm just going to enjoy my little walk. I do gotta save myself first before I try to save someone else. Probably go and volunteer more. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know that I'm good. I'm safe. At least for now. Because once again, a whole nother fire broke out. So I might have to repack my bags again just in case. I'm gonna go do some journaling and probably go eat. But thank y'all so much for watching. Okay, bye.